Top 8 Japanese naked bikes that last forever. Number 8. Suzuki SV650, 1999 to present. The Suzuki SV650 is widely regarded as one of the most reliable Japanese motorcycles ever built. It features a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that delivers smooth torque, predictable power, and minimal maintenance costs. Designed as a versatile all-rounder, the SV650 has been popular with beginners and veteran riders alike for over 2 decades. The DOHC 90-degree V-twin engine provides strong mid-range torque, making it easy to ride in traffic while also being capable of spirited rides on twisty back roads. Its fuel injection system and air and oil-cooled design ensure consistent performance even in extreme conditions. Many riders have exceeded 150,000 miles on their SV650s with nothing more than regular oil changes, proving its incredible longevity. Its simple engine layout, lightweight frame, and forgiving nature have earned the SV650 the nickname, "the bike that never dies." With minimal maintenance needs and an abundance of aftermarket support, the SV650 remains a favorite among motorcyclists worldwide. Number 7. Yamaha MT-07, 2014 to present. The Yamaha MT-07 has emerged as a global favorite thanks to its durability, performance, and affordability. At the heart of the MT-07 is its famous CP2 engine, a 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine known for exceptional reliability and fuel efficiency. The bike delivers a torque-heavy ride, producing 74 horsepower with 68 Newton-meters of torque, making it a thrill to ride in any environment. The MT-7's compact frame, lightweight design, and responsive handling make it perfect for city commutes, highway cruises, and weekend getaways. Its bulletproof engine components, including forged pistons, hardened cylinder liners, and precision-balanced crankshaft, keep mechanical failures at bay even after years of intense riding. Riders frequently report 100,000-plus miles on their MT-7s with no significant engine repairs. The bike's easy maintenance schedule, coupled with Yamaha's renowned reliability, ensures that the MT-07 stays on the road long after many of its competitors have worn out. Strong aftermarket support, low running costs, and high resale value make the MT-7 an unbeatable choice for riders looking for a long-lasting naked bike. Number 6. Honda CB750, 1969 to 2003. The Honda CB750 is often credited with creating the modern superbike category, earning its place in motorcycling history as a game-changer in both design and performance. Introduced in 1969, the CB750 was a technological marvel of its time, powered by a 736 cubic centimeter air-cooled inline-4 engine that set new benchmarks for reliability, power delivery, and ease of maintenance. The overhead camshaft OHC design, combined with its robust 5-speed gearbox, allowed the CB750 to deliver a smooth, consistent power output, making it easy to ride at both low and high speeds. Its engine produced 68 horsepower, which was impressive for a mass-produced motorcycle in the late 1960s. Riders appreciated its broad torque curve, making it capable of handling long-distance touring, spirited rides, and daily commuting with equal competence. The CB750 also introduced features that were groundbreaking at the time, such as a front disc brake, a first for a production motorcycle. This addition provided enhanced stopping power, ensuring both safety and control on the road. The bike's simple air-cooled design minimized the risk of overheating and reduced maintenance complexity, further boosting its reputation for reliability. The CB750's engine internals were built with precision engineering that allowed it to endure high mileage without major issues. Many riders have exceeded 200,000 miles with proper care thanks to its forged crankshaft, hardened valve seats, and solid piston construction. Its simple mechanical layout made it easy for owners to perform routine maintenance, from adjusting valves to replacing spark plugs and filters. The bike's heavy-duty frame provided stability at high speeds, while its well-balanced chassis ensured smooth handling through corners. Aftermarket support for the CB750 remains unmatched, with countless parts suppliers, customization kits, and engine rebuild services keeping these classic machines running decades after production ended. Number 5. Honda CB1100, 2010 to 2022. The Honda CB1100 is a modern tribute to Honda's iconic CB series, blending retro styling with modern engineering for unmatched durability and performance. At the heart of the CB1100 is its 1,140 cubic centimeter air and oil-cooled inline-4 engine, designed with long-term reliability and smooth power delivery in mind. Its classic appearance, inspired by Honda's legendary CB750, has made it a favorite among enthusiasts and collectors looking for timeless design paired with modern convenience. The CB1100's engine is under-stressed, allowing it to run cooler and longer than many high-performance bikes. Its 86 horsepower output delivers silky smooth acceleration, making it ideal for commuting, touring, and weekend adventures. With modern fuel injection and Honda's precise throttle control, riders enjoy seamless power delivery, whether cruising through city streets or taking on long-distance highway rides. The 6-speed transmission provides effortless shifting, contributing to a refined and relaxing riding experience. Build quality is where the CB1100 truly shines. Its precision-forged pistons, hardened crankshaft, and high-strength valves ensure minimal internal wear even after years of continuous riding. The double-cradle steel frame enhances both stability and comfort, while the high-quality suspension system keeps the ride smooth over various terrains. These features collectively create a motorcycle that's built for endurance, requiring only basic maintenance to keep running for decades. Riders consistently report over 100,000 miles on their CB1100s with only routine servicing, proving its reputation as one of Honda's longest-lasting motorcycles. The retro-inspired fuel tank, classic round headlight, and chrome accents evoke nostalgia, while modern touches like ABS brakes, digital gauges, and advanced engine management systems offer safety and practicality. The Honda CB1100 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a timeless machine that stands the test of time. Its blend of classic looks, modern technology, and legendary Honda reliability ensures that the CB1100 will remain a cherished motorcycle for generations to come. Number 4. Suzuki Bandit 1200, 1996 to 2007. The Suzuki Bandit 1200 is one of the toughest naked bikes ever built, boasting a 1,157 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine that has become legendary for its reliability and durability. Its air and oil-cooled engine is based on Suzuki's proven GSXR platform, designed to handle high RPMs and sustain long rides without overheating. The engine features forged components, including a crankshaft, camshafts, and sturdy clutch plates, making it virtually indestructible with proper care. Simple mechanical design, easy maintenance access, and strong aftermarket support keep this bike popular with touring riders and performance enthusiasts. Bandit 1200s routinely exceed 150,000 miles without engine rebuilds. Riders love its low-end torque, comfortable seating, and long-distance touring capabilities, making it a must-have for reliable adventure riding. Its cult following and high resale value prove that the Bandit 1200 remains a fan favorite. Number 3. Yamaha XJR1300, 1998 to 2016. The Yamaha XJR1300 is a timeless classic that has cemented its place in motorcycling history as one of the most durable air-cooled motorcycles ever built. Its 1,251 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine is legendary for producing massive torque while delivering smooth, linear power, making it ideal for both city cruising and long-distance touring. With its retro-inspired styling and muscle bike performance, the XJR1300 appeals to riders looking for both performance and enduring reliability. Engineered for longevity, the XJR1300's power plant is designed with forged pistons, a heavy-duty crankshaft, and reinforced camshafts, all crafted to handle intense power output and withstand extreme riding conditions. Its air and oil cooling system ensures consistent performance, even under heavy loads and in challenging environments. Riders praise the engine's reliability and minimal wear, with many models exceeding 200,000 miles with routine maintenance alone. The bike's dual overhead camshaft DOHC setup delivers high-end power while maintaining exceptional fuel efficiency and engine durability. One of the bike's most celebrated attributes is its mechanical simplicity. Yamaha intentionally designed the XJR1300 to be easy to service, with minimal reliance on complex electronics, making maintenance straightforward and cost-effective. Its 5-speed gearbox is rugged and built to last, offering precise shifts even after years of use. The steel double cradle frame provides superior stability and support, ensuring that the bike remains rock solid, whether on the highway or winding mountain roads. Aesthetically, the XJR1300 exudes a classic muscle bike vibe, with its muscular fuel tank, round headlight, and timeless body lines that harken back to the golden age of motorcycles. Its iconic design has also made it a popular choice for custom builds, including cafe racers, street fighters, and rester mods. The blend of classic aesthetics and modern performance ensures that the XJR1300 remains a sought-after motorcycle long after its production ended. With its bulletproof engine, high torque performance, and minimal maintenance needs, the Yamaha XJR1300 has earned a reputation for being virtually indestructible. It's a motorcycle built not just for years, but for decades, with many long-term owners still enjoying their rides without major repairs. For riders seeking a powerful, reliable, and classic motorcycle, the XJR1300 continues to be a benchmark of durability and style. Number 2. Kawasaki ZRX 1200R, 2001 to 2008. The Kawasaki ZRX 1200R, powered by a 1,164 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, is one of the toughest and most iconic Japanese naked bikes ever produced. Its muscle bike aesthetics and retro design pay homage to 1980s racing legends while delivering modern performance. Built with rugged engine components, including a forged crankshaft, heavy-duty camshafts, and a durable transmission, the ZRX 1200R can handle aggressive riding and high-speed touring with ease. Riders frequently push 150,000+ miles on this machine. Its bulletproof engine platform and classic styling have made it a prized collectible among motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 1. Honda CB 1300 Super 4, 1998 to present. Topping the list is the Honda CB 1300 Super 4, featuring a 1,284 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine designed for long-distance touring, sport riding, and daily commuting. This bike's smooth power delivery, rock-solid transmission, and bulletproof engine design have earned it a reputation as unstoppable. Its forged internals, liquid cooling system, and precision engineering ensure it can handle over 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance. The CB 1300's classic design, ultra-reliable components, and low maintenance costs make it the ultimate long-lasting Japanese naked bike.